Today I decided to start early, really. I don't know if this time is good for whatever 17 audience I have, but this is really good for me. It's like 5 a.m., half past 5, and I'm ready to go. You know, this is the time historically I've been the most successful working, doing anything. So I was thinking, before the kids wake up and all that, before the whole world wakes up, so in 7 hours, I can get a lot done. And then I'll take a break and I'll start my day job and stuff. How about that, right? So it'll give me not just 1 hour or 2 hour to start with, but like I'll be able to do, um, 6 or 7 hours of work. We'll get it out of the window. So, okay, let's go to. So we have added a lot of things, a lot of nouns, and a lot of. I'm gonna go and like. These are some katakana stuff which I don't like, to be honest. And definitely this is not a napkin, right? Stove. Conra, I'm gonna open up Zisho to see if this is good enough, right? They came from Zisho anyway. Like all the words are somewhere. It's like if someone say I'm going to give you 2,000 words, that's just you picked them up from a dictionary like that, and these dictionaries are everywhere, right? And then make a system like a quiz system, and you put them up there, and you show those quizzes at certain interval. That's all there is to it in the market. And then, right, so not a lot of effort is being put on to these apps, and these are just decks of flashcards, and that's about it, really. I want to change some of it based on this comprehensive input system I believe to be Conro. Cooking stove burner, right? But that's not. See, that's not the katakana can be wrong. We need to like check it. Naifu, I think it's tanto. It's called tanto. Naifu. I mean, it does have like knife, but cutlery. Yeah, I would wager this is better. Short knife, tanto. This is the one I know. Tanto. Short sword. Like I think tanto is different. I know what they mean. Right. Kokatana. A small short sword, really. Token. Right, token. Can I understand? Like, yo. I wish like the only thing this requires, right? The only thing that is missing from this is this pop-up is I want to add this word to my app. That's it. Nothing else. Right? It would be great if we could have added that somewhere. Right, if we could add that like somewhere. Kanji. What happens when you go kanji mode? Yeah. 10 reader. I love it, but currency conversion? Why? Why put currency conversion in there? Right. Switch dictionary, which I really like. I don't do that really. Close, pop up, expand. How do you do that? Yeah. Copy to clipboard. Remembering the kanji. it's good to have like Monikani level too. Monikani has 60 levels, which I kind of like don't agree with at all. Why have like 60 levels? Right. Katana. So they picked up this like knife, the first one, obviously, because yeah. But whoa, spoon. I want this. Well, using kind of spoon. Spoon. Yeah. Well, I like this though. Kiji, Saji, Saji, Shaji, Saji, right? That should be it. There are some ones like we need to. Like a lot of people don't understand like why we need this, but that's in written languages you have like orders. Otherwise, that's the most efficient one. That's why it's there. It has. The children gets this wrong. Like my children, they can't like, when they're writing Bengali and all that. I'm like, yeah, it doesn't really matter. And my wife's like, no, it really matters. I'm like, you'll see. But so I'm not sure about this page anymore, like this intermediate page, and that the kanji should be here without the meaning, right? That's something I want to work on. But let's go to a page where we have kanji details. I think there was a use effect somewhere, and it was putting in set current. Is there anything else? No. These are is it kanji details? Kanji details. Okay. Yesterday. To sing, to show. Yesterday. Some of these verbs are like Hitsuyo Tosuru. This bit is like not really necessary. This bit is not necessary. Like this just makes someone afraid, I would say. Also, I hate the fact that we have to have everything in an array, because these are just single words. Kanji template or details. Is that it? Okay. Is word meanings? Yeah. Kumo, cloud. Nice. It should have Romaji. I don't ask people to get into Romajis, because then they're gonna like bypass everything of the Japanese language and not learn like any hiragana at all, right? But I understand, because I was once, like a couple of years back, I tried to like start learning Japanese, and I was like, you know what? I'm not interested in this foreign-looking alphabet. The words itself is a different thing, right? But I'm not gonna learn these I'm not gonna learn like this, all this. So that was like my understanding of it. Okay. Yesterday. Yesterday. So, meanings. I think I'm gonna just make it smaller a little bit. Yeah, so page I think I wanna like, so who is console logging stuff? How many console log I have? Quizinzin. Kanji template. Yeah, we're in kanji template, man. So as soon as we come here, we're console logging something. Yeah, that's it. So over here, this command kanji, yeah. 339. Let's do like a verb's length as well, and so that we know which one is which. Verbs, nouns, right? So now verbs 109 and 330. How much is that? So it's like we're gonna get what, like 350 plus, because the goal is to get to at least 1,000 words, and nouns is like 200. So it's like 550, and then it's difficult to get it done with adjectives, because the adjectives is like super difficult to like make into pictures. That's the thing. 550 plus 200. So that was 750. So we need like 250 more words and stuff. So I guess more verbs and also we need to like update this. So I wanna have like a fixed number, so I don't have to worry about where does it say? Where does it say 100 verbs? Subtitle here is fixed here. Is there like a subtitle? So it's like 250 verbs, 250 nouns. Yeah. I don't really like it, like this being, but I don't wanna like hover over it for too long. So 250 verbs. Let's get to it. Let's summon our best friend Cursor. Cursor can do everything, as people say, but it does a lot. That's what it makes it very good. Yesterday, when you came yesterday. Okay. Let's add, instead of verbs, I want to go to like nouns and add some more nouns. take a look at this page and provide me with 110 more nouns, because make sure they are frequently used nouns. Yeah, make sure they're frequently used nouns. Also, give me a basic English array of words first. So give me basic English array of words first, then 100 more nouns that are not in this list. Yesterday. What? What's happening? Hey, what's up, Byram? Byram is listening, man. What's happening? What's happening, bruh? Chat with me. That's the only way I can make it interactive, bruh. If you're listening, right? Chat with me. I do take a look at the Twitter chat, but not Twitch chat. The other way around. Book. I have book. Look, a lot of what you provided is already in the list. Dude. Mirror, Kagami, brush, towel. I don't think so. We have mirror. We have brush, right? We have towel. We have soap. I'll make it easy for him. Okay? I'll make it easy. This is where we come in. City projects, file utility, right? Go there, remove the noun only words new, right? Remove nouns. Okay, no more nouns. So copy from my file, source utility nouns, copy in here. So nouns, yeah, use Node.js to get the nouns list. Get list, make list, yeah. So we're saying, hey, Nouns JSON. Um, Nouns only. Nouns word only. Word only JSON. To output file and yeah. Node make list. I mean, and then you have nouns of word only. All these words. All right. So let's give it to cursor and see what it says. Okay, give me words that are not in this list, but make sure to give me. Right now, I'm like constrained by my speed of typing. I wish I could just speak it. Right? We need this. Give me words that are not in this list, but make sure to give me frequently used words. So I'm saying, yeah, I should have said nouns instead of words. Computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, keyboard, mouse, screen, printer, scanner, headphones, microphone, speaker, camera, video, internet, website, email, password, software, folder, medicine, pill, vitamin, bandage, thermometer, vaccine, prescription, pharmacy, clinic. I'm guessing like at this stage everything that is coming out of there, like we don't really like supermarket, convenience store, bakery, butcher, pharmacy, bookstore, library, museum, theater, concert. Right? Do we really want to like learn all these words? Warehouse, office, company, corporation, business, industry, economy, market, trade. I'll take all this. Thing is, don't we have this? Another thing. We do have it. See, like, I'm telling it, like, company, I know it doesn't have, we don't have. Is there a reason to have, like, company and corporation, like, business, company? I think we're, like, if the LLM is like, yo, I think 200 verbs is good enough, in my opinion. Because, sorry, nouns like 339. So we just need like, to make it 359, like we need 11 nouns. Okay. 11 nouns. Like network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cable, none of this matters, man. Like medicine, yes. I'm gonna handpick some of it. Okay, let's put it here for now. Medicine. I don't think we have medicine. Kusuri. Right. It's required. Medicine. You need medicine. Vitamin, bandage. Bandage, thermometer, vaccine, prescription, pharmacy, clinic. Pharmacy is required, I guess, because we do have that in Bengali. Like, we never use like we use pharmacy as well. Like, pharmacy is like a open word right now. Ambulance. What do you call like ambulance, man? Like, do you even is it like a word? Yeah. It's a good word. 'Cause we normally we call it ambulance here, right? Exercise. I know ambulance is not there. So medicine, um, bandage, ambulance. Uh, exercise. I don't want like yoga shit. I need to be comfortable. Meditation, diet, nutrition. Eh, do you really need nutrition in your first word? First 1,000 words? Like nutrition. I need just 11 words anyway. Meeting will be very. Meeting will need meeting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 5 more words, and I think our um, company is really important. So do you have company? Yesterday, medicine, da, 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 da. Conference. Conference we don't have. We need it. Taikai. We need that. That's like before even I started learning. It's like Taikai. That's like Dai Taikai. Great conference. All this. Well, what is Taikai? It's just conference. It's just the Japanese word for conference, man. Nothing else. I think this will be really useful for, because Japanese, Arabic, these languages have, Arabic is like something I want to learn myself, and I want to teach my wife is heavy into it. One of my best friend, he is into Arabic. He's like a master of Arabic. He's been learning Arabic for like 7 years, and turns out a lot of people who are like the religious guys, they know less than him, because he's an engineer like myself, and he's like, man, how come we don't have a system? Like, engineers are all about systems, right? So engineers are like, engineers are all about systems, and they're like, well, why ain't, like, what's the system? Let me check the present system and let me find like improvements, because that's what engineers do, which is why we are not very good at businesses. Like, we were like, hey, what's, like, we need to figure it out, and business is all about experimentation. Like, let's experiment that. Because my father-in-law used to be a businessman. He died a few years ago. God rest his soul. And he was like this goddamn experimenter, man. He was like, let's start. Before even doing anything, he would like hire out a place for his new business. He would hire some people to do some stuff. I'm like, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? And like a few months later, he has like a solid business going on, which is what Daniel Priestley does, right? And I think that's really great. That's the way to do business, and not like overthink stuff. And my wife would always tell me like, you are not a businessman. You are an engineer. Do engineering. Keep to your lane. And I'm like, why? I understand entrepreneurship. But look, where is your business? And I'm like, well, I'm making it. And she's like, this is not how it is made. Just dive into that stuff, right? And I'm like, okay, cool. I'll dive in. I'll dive in, and which is why this whole streaming thing started. Because I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna overthink anymore. Let me take action. It's all about action now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 office. I think office we have. Planet festival we need, man. Because Matsuri, that's something we need. Festival. Pill, workout, fitness, yoga, meditation, diet, nutrition. We don't need meeting is there. Conference, interview, presentation, project, deadline. We need that. I'm pretty sure we don't have deadline. Thunder. Do we have thunder, by the way? We don't have thunder. What a blunder. We don't have thunder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have what we needed. We still don't have industry, though. Industry. Okay. Astronaut, rocket, satellite, space, universe, galaxy, telescope, microscope, laboratory, factory, warehouse, company, corporation, business, industry, economy, market, trade. Market should be there, man. Market is like, oh yeah, we have market. Right? It's like basics: tax, insurance, budget, savings, investment, loan, debit, credit, account, bank. Yeah, I think we're gonna like take this and like go to one of these places because 309, what was it, 309 39, so 40 50 350, we're gonna be like at 350 yesterday. So we need to like, what, we need to have, we need to save like our stuff, otherwise why use jelly's egg. How to save, um how, they gave me how to save, yeah, current layout, how to save current layout. Hi, I'm noob too. Shouldn't dump layout file name. Current layout. And saved session. Yeah, how to save session though? Too many stuff. I ain't doing it. Yesterday, this time I never know. Oh no. Okay, Control P N, and then Control N, Control resize. It's basic. Da 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 da. Yesterday. Yesterday. Count activate Comfi new, and then Python. Boom. That's running. That's running there. Comfy. Comfy flex, comfy non-flex. I like it. Delete surroundings. Yeah. And nutrition meeting, company conference, festival, thunder. Whoa, the thunder. It's thundering out there. Yesterday. Steps, I'm gonna just give it 20. I'm tired of like we do node Comfy flex. We do that. Wait, medicine. Okay. I'm like only for like few ones. I don't want to like do a macro. Yesterday. What? What? What happened? What just happened, man? What just happened? I didn't output anything. Shit. So, something is wrong here. Okay, verbs. Items. Call it items. And there shouldn't be any verbs. Items. Yesterday. Now it'll happen. Never told. So after we add that, let's go to cursor anyway and ask it to give us some stuff. Take it and add kanji name, hiragana, and quiz answer. Hiragana meanings, quiz answers. Yesterday. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cool. Nice. Kaminari koku. Thunder, right? Kaminari koku. Ichigo kata. Who says that? This is crazy. Like, for anyone who watches anime, if they learn just the words, they'll be like, "Whoa, I know this." Like, even if I started learning Japanese, I was watching Shingeki no Kyojin, and Armin at one point he says, "Mirai," right? He talks about future. Mirai is future, right? And he's like, if you don't do this, like save, what's his name? The hobo guy. If you don't save Eren from these places, we won't be able to, like, we're not gonna have a future, right? And we're like, Mirai is future. So anytime, I don't know what Mirai looks like. I think I know what it looks like, but like in terms of kanji, I think I do remember what Mirai looks like. But when that kanji came to me in Wanikani, and I was like, whoa, Mirai, I know this Mirai. Mirai is future. It's great. And it was like, yeah, okay, cool. Mirai is future. Okay, cool, man, cool. But should we go to the place, and see what it's looking like? It's me, my mug. This. So we have nutrition, which is nice. Ambulance, bandage. We have to redo it. Exercise, I don't like it. Meditation, meeting, meditation. So we have 400 nouns. I think we're gonna add like 300 verbs. That's gonna give us 700, then 150 adjectives and 150 adverbs is good enough. So that's like your 1,000 words, quick 1,000 words to understand like a lot of Japanese without even learning any hiragana, katakana, or anything, just by the sounds of it. So the next part will be um, what is this? Company, conference, is that it? We're done? Might be, because it's only 11. What's the point of like giving it like 20 iterations? It's not like, yeah, man, come on. What's the point of like giving it 20 iterations? What is this? Festival? What's the time giving it 20 steps? Really? Meditant bandage, we'll have to redo this one anyway. Exercise will redo. Nutrition good enough, meeting will redo. Company will redo. Conference will redo. Festival will redo. Most of it, like deadline will redo. Thunder, Kaminari Koku. Anytime I hear thunder, I'm like, Kaminari Koku. Yeah. So, let's get back here and ask it like, so someone has a bandage on his arm. Only the arm can be seen. Only the arm and bandage can be seen. Medicine, we don't really. Some pills laying on top of a table beside a medicine bottle. Ambulance is good enough, no need exercise. Some kids are exercising. Like it's all about the prompt, exercising on the on the schoolyard. Seen from far away. In an assembly. I hope you're not seen from far away. Nutrition meeting. Meeting going on. Seen from outside of a high rise. High rise. No one's face can be seen clearly. Company headquarter, written Sony on it, huge skyscraper, conference room, building, written conference on it. People are moving in line to join. no one's face can be seen because it's far away. A building, what is it? Festival is festival. Drone shot. Deadline marked on the calendar. Uh, the calendar is seen first, but partially behind it, the busy crew is seen. They're blurred. Thunder. Yeah, I'll have them remake it, but I'm not gonna have like painting style. I'm gonna give like illustration, vector illustration. Kaminari kuku. I think instead of like using the normal ones, if I use anime pictures, people will be able to um, understand better. Should we see what it generated? So it generated this, which is useless compared to that. So you're gonna delete it. Move to trash. Yeah, bandage is good enough. This is bandage. Let's rename it bandage. Because it's like only few, I'm not like giving them like new. Yeah, this is what I want. Nice. Exercise. We'll have to redo the meeting. It's not good. Thunder, nutrition, ambulance, medicine, all this are good enough. Like, because we're giving them so little room, like 256 by 256, this is like difficult for them to make. I understand that. If we even gave them like 512 by 512, it would be like, it made like picturesque picture. Look at that, right? It made like picturesque. And look at that. That's like avant-garde art. That is anime. But each of them are like half a megabyte. We can't have that because we're gonna have 1,000 words. We can't have the app become like half a gigabyte app, right? So, I mean, so it's not really. What's this? Company. That's what I mean by company, man. a building written conference on it. Yeah, I'll have it. Conference. Festival. Yeah, festival. I like it. I like what it made. It's good enough. The problem I have with pictures is like I'm religiously forbidden to generate like facial features, and so I'm making them like different rules and whatnot, right? And yeah, it's okay. The deadline. I think it's done, and we're done too, I reckon. We're done too. You need authentication? Why? We could automate this part, right? I don't feel like it. I don't feel like automating this part. Programmers loves automating, and they're automating themselves out of the job. Imagine that, right? Programmers love automating, and they're automating themselves out of the job. Like, we've built Cursor AI, right? Some programmers, a group of programmers have built this. Ultimately, this was bound to happen. I don't think we'll be out of the job or nothing, things like that. But a shift is definitely coming, right? A shift is definitely coming. And I think it's good. It's good for people like me. Right? I would have had to hire like people, right? To get this done. And it'll be like super difficult to hire them anyway, because they won't be able to speak English, they won't understand what I'm trying to say, they'll have their own opinions, you know? It's rather what I'm doing now is like I'm copying them over here. Should we go to file utility first? Nah. Let's just go to like here. But there's a con though. Ambulance. It has like this 101 stuff. I normally run like a script, but only for like 6 or 7. I don't want to run like a script. I can do it by hand. Thunder. Kaminari. Will you ever forget Kaminari is thunder? It was thundering a moment ago, and a lot of the people have seen. What's this? A lot of the people have seen